The next important thing is access to right literature and building knowledge upon authentic readings. And that's not an easy thing to do. Uh, all around nowadays, you find so much of literature available, so many books, so many documents, so many papers, so many what you call notes. How authentic are they? How analytical are they? How they contribute towards development of analytical skills on your part. That is important. So once when you have access to the right literature, which we will do for you, then how do you prepare? How do you build knowledge? There are three ways. There are three aspects. There are three components. You have themes, you have topics, and you have questions. If you prepare questions, no, you won't go much ahead because CSS covers everything under the sun. When you talk of IAT, international relations,